Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with this facial moisturizer that will help you to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. This moisturizer will boost collagen, thereby giving you that firmer skin, lighter looking skin, so that you can be able to rock your skin without applying makeup. Okay, this moisturizer will really help you to fight against the wrinkles with time when you apply it on a regular basis. It will lighten up those dark spots. It will help you to lift firm sagging skin around the neck area, and it will help you to look beautiful. Okay, this moisturizer will take years out of your age. Like, this moisturizer is very good because of its contents. It contains lactic acid, it contains anti-inflammatory and lightening agents that will help you to look younger and age in reverse. So if you want to learn how I come up with this awesome moisturizer, then keep watching. The first ingredient, guys, that we'll be needing for this amazing face moisturizer is aloe vera. I'll be using the aloe vera plant for this recipe, but you can use 100% aloe vera gel. You can get it from the shop. If you want to make your own aloe vera gel at home, I have a video. I will link it in the up icon above and also in the description box so that you go and check how to make your own aloe vera gel. But for this recipe, I will be using the aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is very good for your skin. It contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A, vitamin C, and also is very high in anti-inflammatory. It can also help to treat burns. If you have sunburns, if you have acne, if you have dried skin, aloe vera works well for dried skin, and it also helps in treating oily skin too. Aloe vera is very good. It works amazingly because it contains vitamin A, which is very good for the skin. It also helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin and brightens the skin. Okay, it gives the skin that glow. Aloe vera really works perfectly well for all skin types. So I'll be using just this quantity of aloe vera gel. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It also adds to your glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy. I'll be using 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. If you don't have the capsule, you can also use just half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. The oil is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles, besides maintaining a healthy skin. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is pure almond oil. Now, almond oil have been used for centuries to treat dry skin conditions. It also helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and also reduce acne and acne spots. So almond oil is very good. It will moisturize your skin and give your skin that glow. It also helps in treating eczema. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is avocado oil. Avocado oil is very good for the skin. It contains high amount of vitamin E as well as potassium, lecithin, and many other nutrients which can nourish and moisturize your skin. It also accelerates healing process, helping with issues like sunburn. So if you are battling with sunburn, avocado oil is very good. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is yogurt. Yogurt helps to moisturize the skin, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It fights against acne. It fades blemishes and pigmentation on the skin. It also helps to reduce dark cycles and treat infection. It treats skin infection. I'll be using a 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I use a teaspoon of almond oil, a teaspoon of avocado oil together with the aloe vera. If you're using the aloe vera gel, you will be needing approximately 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is honey. Honey moisturizes the skin because it's packed with antioxidant that will help you to glow your skin. It gives your skin that glow and also boosts collagen production on the skin, which is very good for both oily and dried skin. So what you have to do is to get a blender, transfer all the ingredients to your blender. I'm going to be blending those very well. Okay, you want to blend for all the ingredients to be well mixed together. If you're using already made aloe vera gel, you can choose to whisk. Okay, you whisk it with your spoon or your mixing stick in order for you to get that well mixed texture and also consistency that you need. But I will be blending it very well because I'm using the aloe vera plant, and you want to blend to a very smooth paste. So after blending, I will get my sterilized container and I will be transferring it to the container. Okay guys, this is our moisturizer, our facial moisturizer that will help you to look younger. This moisturizer will help you to age in reverse. It will get rid of wrinkles, it will get rid of fine lines, it will help you to lift sagging skin. Apply this moisturizer on your face, your neck, and your décolleté to really get the best result. And you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. So now I have my moisturizer. After making this mask, I kept it in the refrigerator to cool for like 30 minutes before applying it on my skin. So I just finished taking my bath and I'm using this as my face moisturizer. So what you have to do is just to apply a little. You can add like 3 or 4 drops on your face, your neck, and press it into your skin the way I'm doing. This moisturizer dries up quickly. Your skin absorbs it very fast. You just put a little, it goes a long way. Applying a little goes a long way. As you can see the glow that is coming out from my skin. You can apply this at night before going to bed, and it's very good to apply on a clean skin every day. Okay, you can apply this every day for up to 7 days. You use this consistency for you to really get the best result. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen after the video. Please do well to check it out, okay? So now guys, you know how to come up with this moisturizer at home that will help you to stay younger and look beautiful. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. And also leave a comment in the comment section below and I will be there to answer all your questions. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Mwah! Bye.